my last one, I think. Yes, how exciting. So I'm not doing this one down here because this one's on a previous one, so you can watch that elsewhere. But we are going to go ahead and look at this one here. So we went to graph ABCD. So looks like everything is positive, so I'm going to keep everything in positive land. So I've got A is 2, 1, and B is 5, 5, and 5 more, 5 is C, and 7 and 1 is D. So I look at that and I think, well, I don't know. I think it's definitely a parallelogram because these slopes are equal, and these slopes is 3 and 5 and 3 and 5, but I don't know if it's a rhombus, so I need to find that out because it kind of looks rhombusy. So this is the length of 5, and this is 3 and 4. Pythagorean triple, this is 5. So I'm going to be able to say this is a rhombus, which is more specific than a parallelogram. So AB is equal to 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to 5 squared is equal to 5. And BC is equal to 5, and AD is equal to 5, and CD is equal to 5. So it is a rhombus. Are the diagonals perpendicular? So here's the tricky part. We're backing everything up with coordinate geometry. So we're not going to say yes, because I have a theorem that says that. We're asking, could you show it with coordinate geometry? So the way that you show things with coordinate geometry for perpendicular, only option is if they have negative reciprocals for slopes. So we check it. We say the slope of BD is equal to down 4 over 2. And the slope of AC is equal to up 4 over 8. So yes, we have negative reciprocals for the slopes. Do the diagonals bisect each other? We need to find out if both of the midpoints of both of the lines are at the same point. So I'm going to find the midpoint of BD, and I'm going to do that, B and D, by averaging. So 5 plus 7 over 2 and 5 plus 1 over 2. So that's going to give me 6, 3. And then I'm going to find the midpoint of AC, which again is averaging 2 plus 10 divided by 2 and 1 plus 5 divided by 2, which again is 6, 3. So yes, they share the same midpoint. Now I'm asked to find the diagonal of this. The equation of that. So I need y equals mx plus b. So y is equal to m. M is the slope of AC, so that's 1/2. And I know it goes through 2, 1, so I can solve for that. 2 is my x, 1 is my y, 1/2 is my slope, and I'm solving, so I get that b is equal to 0. So this is it. For BD, on the other hand, this is my slope, and a point, this is what, 5, 5? Oh, that's easy, we'll do that, because then I don't even have to think about who goes where. Solving for B, this is negative 10 plus 10, so that's 15. So that is the equation of my diagonal BD. And I'm done.